sunset. It's 5 PM. We're in the Guimaras Strait, that island. Yung kita natin, that's the island of Guimaras, covering yung Iloilo City. So you go here in front of the vessel, yung malayo, that's the city of Bacolod. Zoom in natin. Here going sa likod ng Roro. It's almost sunset. Malayo, that's the Port of Tumangas. Beautiful here.
Apat kami ngayon. Usap. Kasi dalawang bago.
This area. Sa taas, oh. Yan. Reina de las Flores. Reina de las Flores. What are these? Flores. Oh, I think these are floaters. Yung araw. In a few minutes. 30 minutes siguro. Mag-sunset na.